Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming, and in this session number 33 we are going to learn some more concepts of the array. So let's start and make another program of the array fundamentals too. So right click on your presentation project. Okay. Create a new file. I will name it array fundamentals 2. Use the Ruby file extension here and just click here. Okay, now in this program we will learn some other concepts of the Ruby programming and array. So just first of all we are going to create an array of for example student name is equal to array dot name, array dot new, and if you want to give the number of the range of the array, then you can specify it, and if you want that every element of the array was filled with the same value, then you just use comma and double quotes and place the name here. And now I am going to show the values of student name. Okay, now we will right click on it and run this array fundamental 2 program here. Now you can see that it will fill with the array with the 10 times here. If you want to look at that what is the actual array forming, then you can just change it. The number sign, I forgot that. Now we will display the actual array look like shape of this one. Then you can just use double quotes and use number sign, and after that you will place the student name here in the curly braces. Now run this program again, and you can see that it will show the array and show the values of the array here. In this way you can see that how we can use the range numbers here, and if we want to use the array and fill it with some different numbers, then what will we do? For example, here we use the roll number and create an array and use this parenthesis and use 0 to for example 20 range, and just use to show roll number here. You can see that it is creating an array with from 0 to 20, and if you just change this thing with this roll number 2 I am going to create, and then you can understand the difference is array, and you are using 3 times dot operator and then use 20, then you can see that it will exclude the 20 in this array. I just need to make this array comment so that you can understand it very well. So run this program again, and then you can see that now the array was filled with the digits from 0 to 19. So it means if you will use 2 digits, then it will range from 0 to 20, and if you will use 3 digits through dots operators, then it will start from 0 to 19. Okay, it means that it will exclude at the last numbers, and now we will display at the okay, if we want to display a specific number at some position, then we just use puts and then use roll number, for example 2 dot at position, and give the index name here. For example, I'm giving the index 19 here. Okay, and now we will run this program again once again. So basically the purpose of this tutorial is that you will learn the different ways how to populate, the different ways to understand the array. And so for this thing we are going to create this thing. Okay, and now for example, if we want to create a new method that we can add or even subtract two arrays in the Ruby programming. It's very simple. And for example, we are creating the students and array, and in this array we are going to add some values here. For example, Muhammad Ali, Qasim, Asad, Umar, Rajnath, Albert. For example, we are creating this array here. I think we are using and missing the curly braces. We need to insert the big braces here. So so we are creating another array of teachers, and here we will use the array values. Saifullah, and I am using the same name here, Asad. Now I will tell you that what will be the next thing. Robert, Raju, Nihal, Singh, something like this. Now we will need to create an array, and I'm creating an array of members of school, and just use equal sign, and then I can add students and plus add them with teachers here. Now if I want to show with the help of puts members of school, then you can see that it will add the both arrays here. So you can see that both arrays are added automatically here. Muhammad Ali, Qasim, first the name of the students, and after that the name of the teachers are here. Similarly, if I want to subtract common members is equal to students minus teacher, and then show this thing common members, then it will show only those members which are not commons. So run this program here. You can see that Muhammad Ali and Qasim, Umar, Rajnath and Albert. Okay, I think we are missing something. Okay, no, it's good one. You can see that Asad was in students, but it was not shown here, and it was in the teachers list, so that name will not show here. It means that teachers will not name will be the same, then it will not show here. For example, if we will add another value to understand, like Umar, and then run this program once again, then you can see that Umar name was not appear in this array of list of common members here. So similarly, this is a very effective method, and we can use this to display the different values here. Similarly, if we want to display the first members, then just use the first and run this program again. Then you can see that the first name is Muhammad Ali, and if you want to show the first three numbers, then you just need to add 3 hairs. Then it will show the first 3 members, Muhammad Ali, Qasim and Rajnath. Muhammad Ali, Qasim and Rajnath. Oh my god, where is that? Because we are using the common members here, and if you see that this array, that array only consists of Muhammad Ali, Qasim, Rajnath and L. Albert, and after that the new list was shown here. I just place puts members list, so you can differentiate it that which array is the common members, and this will be the common members, and after that the members list will show Muhammad Ali, Qasim, Rajnath, and that will be the 1 2 3 index here. Similarly, if you want to display the members, common members dot last, then it will show the last element here. Run this program once again. Okay, the last member is the Albert. So in this way you can find the first element, the last elements and the similarly ones. Similarly, if we want to show the values, the members list in reverse order, and I just want to comment these lines, and just use to show puts the array in the reverse order, and just use puts. For example, I am displaying the students dot reverse. Okay, now run this program. Okay, I think I will need to comment this puts once again. Okay, now you can see that the array was in the reverse order. The Albert name was first, and then Rajnath, then Umar, Asad, Qasim, that was in the reverse orders. If we want to get the index of the some specified numbers, that students dot index, and I am just adding the value Asad here, then it will return me the exact index of the array of the Asad value. That was 2. Why? This is 1 0 and 1, and then at this position it was 2 here. So this is a very informative way to understand the arrays fundamentals that will be very useful in the Ruby programming here. I hope you understand the following session. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos and information. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Allah Hafiz.